Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. So pair of fair die is thrown independently 3 times. So pair of fair die, that means 2 dices, are thrown independently 3 times. The probability of getting a total of exactly 9 twice is how much? So 2 dices are thrown independently 3 times, and we have to find what is the probability of getting a total of exactly 9 twice. Now, if you are rolling only one fair die, we have 6 possible cases, right? So we can get any one of those numbers from 1 to 6. So that means when we are rolling 2 fair dices, the total number of cases will be equal to 6 into 6 or will be equal to 36. Now let's first find out, when we are rolling 2 fair dices only once, what is the probability of getting a sum of exactly 9? So for us to get a sum of 9, we can have the following cases. The first die can have a 3, second one can have a 6, we can have 4, 5, we can have 5, 4, and we can have 6, 3. So we can have 4 such cases when 2 dices are rolled only once, where the sum will be equal to 9. So that means probability of getting a 9 or a sum of 9 is equal to 4 divided by 36 or is equal to 1 divided by 9. That means probability of not getting a 9 will be equal to 1 minus probability of getting a 9 and will be equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 9 or is equal to 8 divided by 9. Now we have to get 9 exactly twice, right? That means 2 cases will get 9. So we'll have 1 divided by 9, which is probability of getting sum equal to 9, multiplied by another case where we'll get the sum equal to 9. And the third case where we are getting the sum not equal to 9. So if we do this, we get the answer as 8 divided by 729, which is option number C. But this is not the correct answer, right? Because out of these 3 options, in the first case also we can get a sum not equal to 9. In the second case also we can get a sum not equal to 9. And in the third case also we can get a sum of not equal to 9. So that means there are 3 such cases in which this is possible. So we need to multiply it by 3 to get the correct answer. We could have also got this value by choosing one place out of 3, right? So this can be done using 3C1 or equal to 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 1 factorial, and this will be equal to 3. That means the final answer will be equal to 3 multiplied by 8 divided by 729 or equal to 8 divided by 243. So answer will be option number D in this case. Now, if you want to master the concepts of finding probability of rolling a dice, do check out the video provided in the description of this video, where I teach you those concepts from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.